Herbalism harnesses nature's wisdom, merging traditional observation, like animals' plant choices, with evolving scientific approaches for powerful remedies. Hawthorn supports heart health at the endothelial level, and tannin-rich herbs combat inflammation, offering significant benefits for the body. Global cultures have utilized herbs for centuries, with turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon serving not just as spices, but potent health allies. Incorporate herbs into daily routines to reduce pharmaceutical dependence, promoting health through simple practices like drinking herbal teas.